Hey everyone, this is Kelly and welcome back to the final day, day 5 of the Honeybee Stamps spring release. Today I want to start with a small stamp set. This is called Love You. And you see there you have Love You, Mean It, and I Love You More. And there's a coordinating die set with this one as well. So you have the Love and You in the scripty font, the basic shadow, and then the pierced shadow. I'm going to die cut all of these so you can get an up-close look at what they look like. So I'm going to start out with Love, and you can see it has that beautiful scripty word, the basic shadow in white, and then the yellow is a pierced shadow or background. You can see the piercing right around the edge. There's the U. And I have a little inspiration from design team member Galena. I love how she used this with the Little Ladies stamp set. I love the vellum back behind. It's beautiful. Next up is the super cute Donut Worry stamp set. So in this stamp set you have Donut Worry, You Got This, and then you could always put Do Not Worry, Be Happy, and at the bottom you have Eat the Donut. There's a donut shape and lots of sprinkles. There's a coordinating die set that you can purchase along with that stamp set. It cuts out most of the words, the little donut, the sprinkles, and some larger sprinkles there on the side. I'm going to cut these out and put them onto the stamp set so you can see exactly what they look like when they're cut. This is that cute little donut with chocolate sprinkles. And I'm going to kind of do this backwards, but the word happy. Love the scripty font, and I love that the font in this stamp set is mixed. So you have the cute and kind of quirky and playful Donut Worry, and then the scripty Be Happy. So it cuts out the shadow for that word donut and then the individual letters. And then the same for worry. Super fun, super cute. Next is the donut shaped card dies. So this will make a donut shaped card. It will score in the middle so it's easy to fold that, use your bone folder to crease it, and then also it does all the layering. So I'm going to cut this out of multiple pieces of cardstock and show you exactly how this die set would work. As you can see here, I've trimmed all my dies apart. I've cut all the cardstock, and so I have a tan donut, or what might be a vanilla or a plain donut, and then I've cut my layer to make my chocolate sprinkles show through the icing layer, and then pink icing, and then I cut a dark hole for the center, and you can layer that as well. Super cute. What a fun card idea. I have some inspiration to show you from two design team members. The first card is from design team member Joanne. I love this. I love the colored sprinkles. And Be Happy, Eat the Donut. Cute, super cute. And this one is from Carol. I love the teeny tiny donuts and all the color. So pretty. Next up is the 3x4 stamp set called Sweet. You have Hello Sweetheart, Hello Sweet Love, You Are So Sweet, lots of combinations that you can make with that stamp set, and of course there's a die set to go along with the Sweet stamp set. So you have the Sweet word in that scripty font, you have a basic shadow and then the pierced shadow as well. I'm going to cut this out and show you what this one looks like. So you have the Sweet scripty word in green, the basic shadow in white, and then the yellow is the pierce. And I love how this die cut takes up the whole card. So cute, and I love the size. Here's a cute donut card from Carol, and I love the glitter paper, I love the card, I love the little shaker in the middle. And then this one is by Ilda. I love her colorful sprinkles, and I love that she put glossy accents on the word sweet. Now next up we have some standalone dies as well. This is Pinky the Pig, and this is the paper piecing die. So I have cut Pinky out of different colors of cardstock and adhered her down to some white cardstock and then used a little action wobble for her little head. Now this is Lily the Lamb. I've done the same with Lily, cut her out of different colors of cardstock, all the different pieces. Now this is all cardstock, all die cuts. The green paper there is just what I glued her down to and then trimmed her away. She's so cute. I love the details under her little nose. Next up in the paper piecing die collection is Penny the Platypus. Now I have cut and glued Penny down to one of her original die cuts that was previously released. I did that just to be easy, but this is all paper and you can see all the details embossed into her tail, into her little hands, to her little face, and that little mug is from the brand new Pinky the Pig die and stamp set. And last but not least are the Foxes paper piecing set. So I have just glued those down onto their original die cut. This is all paper piecing, different colors of cardstock, and I added a little bit of really light gray Copic marker to their white fur to make that stand out. Now this is the double stitched circle die set. You can see there is a cut line in the center and then stitch lines on either side. So I have cut these out of different colored cardstock so you can see what they look like layered together. These are perfect for shape cards, to layer onto your cards, just to layer cardstock, or to make shaker cards. And I love Carol's card here. She has made a little standout piece out of the circles for her little ladybug. And this is the scalloped stitched circle die set. So you can see around the edge, that scalloped edge is the cut line, and right inside of that is a stitched line. Now these are really large. I have really big hands, and these are a large set of dies, and I love the scallops. They're so beautiful and classy. Here I have cut and stacked these two colors of cardstock so you can see those beautiful scallops and the stitch line. And here is an example from design team member Kaya. I love how she used that circle, the ink background. It's a perfect place for Lily the lamb to stand. Now all of these products are found at honeybeestamps.com, and thank you so much for joining us, and we'll talk to you next time. Bye bye!